Hi all, welcome to Workouts While Working. Today we are going to see how to maintain your posture while working out all day long on your desk or computer. So what happened last week, actually I was having this exchange session with my team members, and one of the team members, she complained that she was having neck pain and back pain. When we discussed more on the issues, actually we came to know that she was not actually following any posture while sitting and working on the computer. So she was sitting anywhere in the house and she was not having that proper position while working. So I thought to create this video so that everybody will get the tips. So basically we'll start with maybe neck. So what we have to maintain our neck in the correct position. So what we can do to check if we are keeping it in correct position or not is basically what you can do is you can tuck in your neck. So what I'll do, I'll just tuck in my neck like this. Okay, you might feel your double chin, and then maybe stay in that position for 5 seconds and then come to normal. You'll feel the difference. Okay, now this is the correct position. So maybe after each 1 hour or 1 hour or 2 hours you can do this. So just keep reminders to tuck your neck in. You can also do this straight, where what you are doing is you are doing neck press like this. You are keeping your hands like this and you are pressing your neck after maybe each 2 hours, so that your neck will be in the correct position. So that was the first thing. Second thing is you have to make sure that you are maintaining 90 degrees of angle in your legs and maybe in your back position. So you should be having 90 degrees here and 90 degrees here. Okay, so make sure your back is in 90 degrees. So that is number 2. And number 3, while you are sitting on chair, if you feel you can take support of maybe some cushion or so, something like this whose shape is like this, you can place it here so that it will not give you the complete support, but support where it is needed most. So I'll be keeping it here, and just make sure you're pressing your back whenever required. And then third one, maybe whenever you are typing or you are writing on something, make sure your hands are on the desk. Okay, so you are doing it like that, but again make sure 90 degrees. You can adjust your chair accordingly. Okay, and then hands on your desk. This is how I am going to do. So this is it. And one more tip that I actually follow. So whenever you are not actually doing work actively, maybe in meetings or so, and you can just stand. As you are aware, sitting is called as next to smoking nowadays. What you can do is you can just stand. I do that. So I just keep here this another laptop table, so that I'll adjust the height accordingly, and then I'll stand in meetings where I'm just actually supposed to listen and provide some of the inputs. So follow these simple tips and maintain your proper posture while you're working. So it should reduce your neck pains and back pains. Okay, so that's it for today. Let me know if you want to have any video for any topic or so, and provide me your feedback as well in comments. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Subscribe to YouTube channel and follow and like Facebook page as well. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.